Okay, so I'm Elan, and I'm going to be talking to you about laptop security. It started? So basically thinking of how to secure the data on our laptop and what happens if we lose it or it gets stolen. So it all started a couple weeks ago when I woke up and I couldn't find my laptop, and then I started running through my head all the different scenarios of how much money I'd lose and all my clients' data on my laptop and all of crazy things that happen if I can't find it. So a little background about myself. I work at 500 Tech, which is a Ruby on Rails web development company, and we have lots of data of our clients that are very important that if we lose, we're in big, big trouble. So it happened a couple weeks ago. I woke up, couldn't find my laptop, looking for it. And as I said, going through all the crazy scenarios if I couldn't find it. So I'm going to go over all the things to think about. So first thing, I thought I needed to buy a new laptop. And as a developer, we like the cutting edge. If it's a 16 gig of RAM and SSD hard drive, easily $1,600. Then the second thing is installing all of my configurations, installing Linux on it, getting up to speed with all my clients' projects, another day's work, at least $1,000. We're up to $2,600 losing the laptop. Then I remembered that I didn't commit all of my code that I've been writing through during the last couple of days. So now I have to rewrite everything. Let's say 2 days work, another $2,000. We're at $4,600. And that's before even thinking of all the delicate data of my clients that if someone gets to, what happens? So did I use an encrypted file system? If someone gets a hold of my laptop, they can plug it into another screen, see all the data. Who knows how much money that's worth to my clients? Next thing, did I put passwords on all my SSH keys to Amazon, Bitbucket, GitHub, Roku? If not, they can, if it's a smart hacker that got control of my laptop, they can rewrite code, push it, do whatever they want with my clients' projects. Do I use Chrome passwords to save my passwords? If so, they just log in. They just open the computer, log into PayPal, and transfer all the money over from PayPal. And then after looking all around my house, I realized it was right there under my bed and nothing happened, and I decided to do a little overview of all the precautions any person should do in order not to have this nightmare happen for real. So I went through, I made a list of precautions for you so none of this ever happens to me or anyone else. So first thing, funny. Don't leave any unpushed commits. Always make sure to make small commits, push to GitHub, Bitbucket, whatever you do regularly. And if you're using a Mac, you have a time machine. So if you do lose your laptop, then you can always restore all your data very easily. Of course, put a password on your computer and have it lock automatically. So even though someone doesn't want to, if they'll have access to it, maybe they'll go find something sensitive and use it. And have that password work with an encrypted file system. So if someone gets a hold of your hard drive, they can't just read all the data right from it because it's all encrypted and they need your password to read it. An idea I came up with like after this happened is to have a dedicated email for signing up for websites or like PayPal or stuff. So if you do leave your email open, they can't just recreate your passwords, and you'll have a dedicated email for important stuff. Of course, putting passwords on all your SSH keys for production servers. On development, you can work without it, but in order to push to production, it's important to have a password. Whoever uses LastPass, I like it very much. You can save all your passwords in the cloud, and you only need to remember one password, and with one single action, you can change all the passwords for all your important websites. If you do use Chrome passwords, you can go to chrome.com settings, Chrome sync, and change your Chrome password, and if they got access to your browser, then it all changed and they can't log into your important data. Following this whole incident, I also learned about a SaaS product called Encrypted Cloud, which allows you to encrypt files on Google Drive and Dropbox, all kinds of services you use that you have sensitive data in the cloud. So I hope nothing from all this ever happens to you and you take the necessary precautions, and safe DevOps. Thank you very much.